Pretty shot there from the top of the Salesforce Tower looking south. Before we come back to the story at home, I just want to update you on how likely it is this next tropical storm will have any impact on Hawaii. By the way, there it is. We've got it plotted in the vast Pacific Ocean. This thing is close, and its arrival is going to happen tomorrow, but it's going to miss. We'll look at this a couple of ways. Instead of looking at the infrared satellite imagery, that is not a hurricane, but it is a tropical storm. It's just not going to have the time to get its act together and really get well formed. This is the National Hurricane Center's forecast for where tropical storm force winds are most likely to be felt. Through here, certainly over the next 48 hours. But if you look, this is a miss for Hawaii. However, you can't just look at one forecast when you're trying to give you your best probability for how a storm like this is going to behave. When we try to forecast the track, you might be used to seeing something like a cone of uncertainty. That's one way of doing it. Another way we look at forecast tracks for hurricanes like this is to put something on the map called a spaghetti plot. It's going to make a lot of sense here in a second. It's going to look like a bunch of strands of spaghetti stretched out across the map. This is each individual high-resolution model forecast. They're all just as good as the one before it. The only difference is the computers change the initial conditions slightly, because as good as these forecast models are at projecting the future, they're only as good as the information we put into them. And we cannot possibly know what the entire state of the atmosphere is over every square foot of the globe. And that missing information causes forecast models to spit out different outcomes. So what you want to look at is an ensemble of the different forecast models and see if there's a pattern. If you start them all with slightly different conditions in the atmosphere that we cannot account for. And when we look at it that way, there's good news here. Every single one of these plots also stays south of the island. Let's take a look up here at the forecast imagery. So we know we're not going to get tropical storm force winds over the islands. We are going to get a lot of rain. It's not going to be anything like what happened last week. But Sunday into Monday, we're going to pick up several more inches on the big island of Hawaii, which does not need it. So it's not like this is nothing. But I just want to reassure you that this is not a repeat from storm intensity standpoint of what we just saw go through Hawaii. So somewhat good news there at least. But Hawaii likely is vulnerable for the next 6 weeks because the water through the Pacific is well above average, and that is fuel for hurricanes, much warmer than average this year, and this year is going to continue to be active for Hawaii because of that. All right, back here at home, let's bring the marine layer on shore. We'll want you to try and fill in a little bit tomorrow. It's just not going to be able to fill in much. So we'll see a little bit of low cloud and marine layer through the morning hours, but it doesn't get inland, and as a result, look at the daytime highs tomorrow. You're going to be in the low to mid 90s through the Tri-Valley, and North Bay valleys will also be quite warm. San Jose will also see temperatures relatively warm. And then we'll cool down a little bit once we get into the early part of the week. Watch what happens. After a bit of a warm-up Sunday, Monday, we get the marine layer back. We cool down a little more. Then the marine layer goes away. We warm up again Tuesday and Wednesday. Then the marine layer comes back, and we cool down a little bit by the end of next week. So it's going to be a seesaw over the next 7 days. No dramatic swings, but there will be some noticeable ups and downs. We're in a noticeable up today and tomorrow. And then Monday and Tuesday will be a slightly more noticeable down, which is probably good if you like it a little bit cooler. All right, Andrea.